What?
Dinner's ready.
Okay, the man's cutting the grass for you, look.
I want to see. Can't.
Here comes the tractor.
Can I stand on this?
I think so.
Look at all the fluffy. Look at
Yeah.
all that normal grass though.
Here comes your tractor.
My feet are going to get one over that.
He is.